The way I was living then, I didn't want to do nothing. I didn't care about nothing. I just existed. My wife said that I was just like a marshmallow sitting on the couch.
Went to our local family doctor. She said he was just depressed. I said, no, somebody needs to help my husband.
What makes you an individual is your brain. The frontal lobes control your personality. With Earl, that was exactly where this very large tumor was growing. Removing it was a very risky operation.
Right off the bat, there was the biggest difference in him.
I enjoy life. I enjoy my granddaughter. UPMC got me back to my old self.
To be able to bring somebody back to life, essentially, to me, this was amazing.
I have my husband back.
Of course, now I have people telling me I talk too much.
Learn more about Earl's story or share your own at upmc.com/stories today. At the heart of all we do is you. UPMC, life-changing medicine.